Hi guys, in this video we're going to learn how to name carboxylic acids, esters, and fats. Carboxylic acids have the C double bond O and the OH group on them. This is the carboxyl group. When we have a carboxylic acid, it automatically takes priority and becomes the ending of our name. And so when we have one carbon only with C double bond O OH, this is methanoic acid. You'll notice there's a space between the oic and the acid. When we have two carbons, then it is ethanoic acid. When we have three carbons, but we have a double bond, it's propanoic acid. That E in here specifies that there is a double bond. It's not propanoic acid, it's propanoic acid. So now in this compound here, we'll notice that we have the C double bond OOH. This automatically becomes carbon number 1. So we can number our carbon chain as per usual and name our compound 3-bromo, 3-chloro, 5-ethyl, heptanoic, space, acid. Or in the next one, again, numbering this time from right to left so that our carboxyl group is at the end, we have 2-chloro, hexanoic acid. And now down here with the benzene group, this one gets a special name. It's benzoic acid. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 4, 5, 6, trimethyl octanoic acid. There's a space between the ic and the acid. So carboxylic acids are obviously acidic because they are weak acids. They have very high melting and boiling points as well. Esters are formed from carboxylic acids when they react with alcohols. So we have an ester when we have the C double bond O, the O, and now instead of an H, we have another carbon. All right, so now we'll name this ester. So we see this is C double bond O, O, and then another carbon. So the part that came from attached to the O, that's what came from the alcohol. So we name that section first. So that's an ethyl because it's got 2 carbons. And then we name the rest of it, that's got 5 carbons, as pantanoate. So it ends in OH when it's an ester. And you'll notice again, it's 2 separate words, ethyl, pantanoate. All right, in my next example here, the part that's coming off the oxygen has 1, 2, 3 carbons on it. So this is propyl, 1, 2, 3, 4, butanoate. Propyl butanoate. Finally, we have to look at how these esters can actually be made. If we were in the lab, we would be making esters by combining a carboxylic acid with an alcohol. When we do this, again, it's a dehydration condensation reaction because we are dehydrating it, removing the water, and condensing 2 smaller compounds into 1 compound. So we're going to remove H2O by removing OH and H and condensing together to make our ester. Fats and oils are also made this way when glycerol, which is actually propane 1,2,3-triol, reacts with 3 fatty acids, which can be the same or different fatty acids, to make our fat. Fatty acids are just long carbon chains that can have some double bonds in them or not, depending on if they are saturated or unsaturated fatty acids. When they combine with our glycerol, they make our fat. See you next time.